Hi, this is Bailey Gradine. Our design proposal is for an adaptive reuse of a warehouse. This warehouse is divided into two parts. The part with sloping roof has only one story with 7.3 meters high, and the part with flat roof has been divided into two stories with concrete structure. All roofs of this warehouse are supported by the steel truss. This project needs to develop to have more functions, including residential and retail use. Our design strategy is to keep the existing to the greatest extent possible. At the same time, the renovation and extension needs to achieve the same architectural style and language with it. And our design concept is aimed to create a harmony, multifunctional community. Thus, we introduced the concept of Courtyard. To developing the existing warehouse, we will plan to have two different strategies, renovation and extension. For the sloping roof part, we separate the big space into two levels to maximize its utilized. Then for the flat roof part, we remove the roof and extend two more stories for residential use. The selection of materials for prefabrication in each functional area are different. The west and south wall of the existing warehouse are concrete structure, while the north and east facade wall are brick walls. Therefore, to maintain uniformity, the restaurant's second floor added to the existing warehouse and the public area around the courtyard has chosen to continue using concrete as the floor and wall. However, the commercial office area and the accommodation area are the highlights of the gradient. And they chose to use CLT, an environmental friendly renewable material, as the prefabricated material. Then about the modular design. We use the method of modular design in residential units. We have two different types of site for three different types of use, and they both be designed as pods. In order to create a high-quality living pod, we refer to Dyson Institute's residential studio to use CLT structure with the aluminum cladding. As an adaptive reuse project, we decided to use prefabrication as a construction method to adding space. Firstly, design and making module of building components, then deliver to an off-site factory to produce. After that, the building components will be transferred to the site to be assembled. Design for assembly for an adaptive reuse warehouse. The safety and convenience of on-site construction are the most important things. So we chose to use physical connection. The brackets will be installed on the components in the factory. We only need to assemble then follow the truck or have some simple assemble with screws. According to the resolve framework about the circular economy, the 6 guiding actions are regenerate, share, optimize, loop, virtualize, and exchange. Bailey Gradine's design achieve all actions. That includes regenerating and recycling natural capital, maximizing asset utilization, optimize system performance, keeping products and materials in circle, displacing resources use with virtual use, and selecting resources and technology Wavelet. High quality of solar panels on the roof as a part of a low and zero carbon strategy. We have 386 cons solar panels and can produce 148 kilowatts powers per hour.